Mental illness is the quiet epidemic of our generation. Behind closed doors in schools, offices, and homes, millions of Americans are silently battling depression, anxiety, and emotional burnout. You won't always see it on the news, but it's there, and it's growing. Today on Real Talk America, we expose the truth about the mental health crisis in the United States. What's causing it, why it's getting worse, and what no one wants to talk about. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, nearly 60 million Americans are living with some form of mental illness. That's 1 in every 5 adults. Among teens and young adults, the situation is even more alarming. More than 40% of high school students say they feel persistently sad or hopeless. Suicide has become the second leading cause of death for people ages 10 to 34. And for our veterans, over 30% experience PTSD, depression, or other conditions after service. These aren't just numbers. These are our neighbors, our co-workers, our family members, maybe even you. So, what's going on? Why is mental illness so widespread now? Here are 5 major contributing factors. 1. Economic pressure. Wages aren't keeping up with the cost of living. People are working more but falling behind. Financial anxiety is constant. 2. Social media and isolation. We're more connected digitally, but more disconnected emotionally. Social comparison, cyberbullying, and digital addiction have created new forms of anxiety. 3. The pandemic effect. COVID-19 left behind a massive mental health fallout. Loneliness, grief, trauma. It broke routines and relationships. 4. Work culture burnout. The grind culture glorifies overwork and ignores rest. Americans work longer hours than almost any other developed country. 5. Lack of mental health education. Most people don't learn how to manage their emotions or seek help early. All of these factors create the perfect storm, and millions are trapped inside it. Now let's talk about access. When people want help, they often can't get it. Therapy in America is expensive. Most sessions cost $100 to $300 per hour, and insurance often doesn't cover enough. In rural areas, there may not be any mental health providers for miles. Wait times are long, appointments are short, and the system is overwhelmed. There simply aren't enough trained professionals to meet the growing demand. Bottom line, millions are suffering in silence because the system is broken. And then there's the stigma. Even in 2025, talking about mental health is still taboo in many families, communities, and cultures. You're told to tough it out, man up, stop being dramatic. But mental illness isn't weakness. It's not attention-seeking. It's real. It's medical. It's human. Until we treat mental health like physical health, people will keep hiding their pain. Certain groups are more vulnerable. Teenagers, especially girls, are facing a mental health emergency. LGBTQ plus youth are more than 4 times as likely to attempt suicide. Veterans with PTSD and trauma often lack proper support. Black, Indigenous, and people of color, BIPOC, face cultural stigma and systemic barriers. Men who are less likely to seek help have higher suicide rates. Mental illness doesn't discriminate, but support and awareness often do. Mental illness doesn't just hurt the person struggling. It affects families, workplaces, schools, and entire communities. Parents can't parent, students can't focus, workers burn out. And economically, untreated mental illness costs the U.S. over $250 billion each year in lost productivity. We all pay the price when we ignore this crisis. But here's the good news. Change is possible. More people are speaking out. Telehealth is increasing access. Schools and workplaces are starting to offer mental health support. Therapy is being normalized, especially among Gen Z. And most importantly, there is help, and recovery is real. You don't have to suffer alone, whether you're struggling or supporting someone who is. Hope is out there. Mental health is not a luxury. It's not a side issue. It's at the heart of everything: relationships, success, health, even life itself. It's time for a national conversation, not just with politicians, but in our homes, schools, churches, and communities. If this video helped you or opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Like it, share it, leave a comment, because someone you know is silently struggling right now, and they might need this. This is Real Talk America, where we speak the truth, even when it's hard. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself, and take care of each other.